Are you tired of fad diets that don't work? Look no further than the ketogenic diet. Not only is it effective for weight loss, but it's also delicious. Today, we're bringing you the top 5 keto recipes that are sure to have your taste buds and waistline thanking you. So grab your apron and let's get cooking. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we share the latest health and fitness trends. Today, we're talking about the ketogenic diet, which has taken the world by storm with its proven weight loss benefits. And what better way to enjoy a diet than with some delicious recipes? We've compiled the top 5 keto recipes that are sure to satisfy your cravings and help you reach your weight loss goals. So without further ado, let's get started. Recipe number 1. Keto fried chicken. First up, we have everyone's favorite, fried chicken. But this one is a keto-friendly version that uses almond flour instead of breadcrumbs. The chicken is coated in a flavorful blend of spices and then fried to crispy perfection. It's sure to be a hit with the whole family. Recipe number 2. Low-carb pizza. Next on our list is a low-carb pizza that will have you forgetting all about the carb-loaded alternative. The crust is made from a mixture of almond flour, mozzarella cheese, and eggs, and then topped with your favorite keto-friendly toppings. It's a pizza that you can indulge in guilt-free. Recipe number 3. Creamy broccoli and cheese soup. If you're looking for a comforting soup that's also keto-friendly, then look no further than our creamy broccoli and cheese soup. It's made with a combination of broccoli, heavy cream, and cheddar cheese, resulting in a rich and indulgent soup that's perfect for a cozy night in. Recipe number 4. Cauliflower fried rice. Craving Chinese takeout? Try our cauliflower fried rice instead. It's made with cauliflower rice, which is a low-carb alternative to traditional rice. Mixed with eggs, vegetables, and a blend of savory spices, this dish will satisfy your cravings and keep you on track with your weight loss goals. Recipe number 5. Keto chocolate brownies. And finally, we have a dessert that's both decadent and keto-friendly, chocolate brownies. These brownies are made with almond flour, unsweetened cocoa powder, and sugar-free sweeteners, resulting in a treat that's rich in flavor but low in carbs. So there you have it, our top 5 keto recipes for weight loss. We hope that you enjoyed this video and that it's inspired you to try out the ketogenic diet for yourself. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.